Okay, so what I got coming up in the future is some more valve train related testing. And what I want to do is, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to put the degree wheel back on. But I don't want to have to take off the whole timing cover and all this stuff just to get the degree wheel on. But you can see kind of like it just doesn't quite fit there. It's there's just not quite enough room for it to go on there. So what I want to do is make something that brings it out to about here. And that seems like a good project for my 3D printer. So that's basically what I want to do, is just make some adapter that goes onto here, registers on this to find, so that the part is centered on the center line axis of the crankshaft, and but so that the degree wheel moves out far enough so that I'm not running into the water pump. What I'm going to do is it's going to stick out about like that far. We're going to start out with it about that big around, and I made a little sketch of what I want to do here. So let's start measuring some of this stuff. And the other thing I need to know is, looks like there's two different bolt patterns there. I just need one of them, and I can use that bolt pattern to hold that fixture onto the damper. And then, well, anyway, that's where we're gonna get started. So it's like about 15.5 hours. And it is like a stuff I run, and I was back into it. So see okay. I see what's there. I got to sports. So anyway, it's not too bad. That one is still one because I forgot to do the sports right here, and so I'm going to only on that. And so again, okay. So through this part, I think I was on like 3 hours. So it was like 2 hours for that roughly. So I was going to take that. So that's not too bad. So what this is here is you realize that the slicer program, I enabled sports on that plate, and you need to have sports here to do the other. So really easy, not too much trouble. Okay, so a little more thing to do, but you get the idea. So let's see, I brought the socket I want to use to, and then see if I got the right. Four times install it. Looks all right to me. And then we do is, nice. So, let me turn the buttons on the damper. So here. Here's your import. That's here. Here's your import here. There it is. Then you know he's like a... So the glue on in there. Let's see here. Okay, so that's basically it. So like I said before, right, that's not going to be too long. So I'm going to use it right, so I can go through and print it a little shorter, or I'll deal with it because it's probably not a problem. It's probably not a problem. And then got this on the outside here. So that's even with the glue on, it's still part over. And so that's still part over with this after way. So I can see if it's like this. But that's fine. That'll work. Okay, so I ended up reprinting the green part because after test fitting it with the first one that I made, it just made the degree wheel out too far, and I just went back into Fusion, made it a couple inches shorter, and reprinted it. And what's kind of nice about doing it that way is once I'm up and using it, I can kind of use the front of the water pump as an indicator for the degree wheel. So, at any rate, we won't need to use this setup right away, but it is coming up in the next few weeks, and anyway, we'll get to use it then. Alright, so that's all I got for now, and I'll see you next time.